There's nothing like summer in the White Mountains, and these trails are the reason why. I've lived in New Hampshire for years, and if you haven't laced up your boots and hit these trails in summer, you're missing out. Clear ridgelines, waterfalls, mountain breezes, it's New England hiking at its best. Start with Mount Willard. It's short, beginner-friendly, and ends with an epic view over Crawford Notch. Looking for a challenge? Franconia Ridge gives you alpine ridges, 360 degrees views, and a real summit adventure. This one flies under the radar, but it's pure gold. Open granite, 2 summits, and wide views in just 4 miles. Chicora might just be the most photogenic mountain in New England. Not every great hike needs a summit. Arethusa Falls leads to one of the tallest and most beautiful waterfalls in the state. And if you're short on time, Artist's Bluff, Mount Pemigewasset, and others offer big rewards with little effort. So grab your boots, pack some water, and get outside. The White Mountains are waiting. Please like and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks.